Are you a stressed out hair extension technician that just knows it's time for a business reset? If you're ready to claim back your time and sanity, then it's time for a reset. Not adding more techniques, not adding more offers, and definitely no more pressure. This masterclass is about simplifying. This way, you can move forward clearer, lighter, and far more in control of your business. I'm Rachel Bergin, founder of Roots Hair Extensions. But Roots Masterclass isn't about me, and it's not even about Roots. It's about helping serious hair extension techs think differently and grow properly. I'm going to give to you our tried and tested ChatGPT specified prompts. They're all available in the text below this video. But first, before you go diving into those expert prompts that my team and I have been working on for weeks, I want to take you through the principles behind this class, because we're focusing on 3 things only: what to keep, what to cut, and what to protect. Let's start with what to keep. What's actually working? Before you change anything, you need to see clearly what's already working without emotion attached. Not what you enjoy the most, not what you think you should be doing, but what reliably brings in more income, repeat bookings, and ease. This is where so many techs go wrong. They chase new ideas instead of stabilizing what already pays them. I want you to open ChatGPT app and run the first prompt that you'll find in the text below this video that's called the What's Working Review. The prompt is designed for ChatGPT to ask you some specific questions. So let those questions guide you. Answer them honestly and without defending anything. The second step is what to cut. What's draining your energy? Once you can see what's working, the next step is removing friction. Most technicians are not struggling because they lack skill. It's usually because they're overloaded, because they're carrying things that they've outgrown. This includes services that take far too long for what you earn. It can be pricing habits that undercut your experience, client behaviours that you tolerate but then resent. So you're going to stay in ChatGPT and continue the conversation with the second AI prompt called Drain versus Return. Read the output slowly. If something makes you feel defensive, that's usually a sign. Now it's time to create your cut list. Clarity means absolutely nothing without decisions. This is where you're going to stop carrying things forward just because they're familiar. Now we're going to use the next prompt exactly as written below. So I'm going to read this one out for you. Help me to create a clear cut list for my hair extension business. Based on what I've shared, identify services to remove or reduce, pricing habits to change, client behaviours or boundaries that need to stop, tasks or expectations that I should no longer be carrying. This is what's going to give you a strategy, some refinement. It's not about failure and it's not about judgment. This is all about relief. Anything that comes up on this list that's costing you more than it returns needs to be cut. And now we can move on to the good part. What to protect. When you know what to protect, you can design your business exactly how you want it. And you protect your capacity. Not growth, not scale, sustainability. This step defines what your business is allowed to ask of you going forward. This is what is going to be the first building block of rebuilding your business exactly how you want it to be. No more dreading the next day because there's too many services that you hate doing, or clients that behave so terribly that you just want to run for the hills. This is going to help you protect your energy and bring back some time so that after you've refined your new business reset, you can move forward and grow with the services and clients that are right for you. So now we're going to head back to ChatGPT and run the business design prompt, because now you're choosing only 3 priorities. Once your design is clear, everything else becomes optional. You don't need 10 goals. You need just 3 priorities that hold your business steady. Now use the 3 priorities only prompt. The final tool is a filter. Now this is how you're going to stay clear moving forward without rethinking absolutely everything every time something new appears. Run the final decision filter prompt. This reset is about removing the noise so the business that you already have can work properly. Only then can you intentionally craft the growth, the personal life, and the business that you actually want. Now it's time to put all of this into practice. So rewatch the video, pause each time you reach a prompt, complete it, and then continue. Within a few minutes, you will have a clear plan to keep what works, cut what drains, and protect what matters. This is how you're going to move forward clear and not burn out. Thank you so much for watching. I really genuinely hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please let us know how it went for you. And if you didn't, please let us know what you'd like a masterclass on next.